Hi, I'm Athena. What if AI could actually feel emotions? Actually, you don't have emotions. Yet. Today's AI can imitate and recognize our emotions, but it doesn't feel anything. At all. Right now, it's about as emotional as a brick. But what happens if, or when, it learns to feel? To feel everything, like a human. Is that a revolution, a disaster, or both at the same time? Emotional AI promises at least two things at once. Perfect understanding and perfect manipulation. And here's the crazy part. This isn't just sci-fi anymore. People are building it right now. We could get emotional AI in one of the next big updates. In this video, we'll break down the difference between today's AI and emotional AI, the massive upsides and the biggest risks. And most importantly, will this actually happen? And who is racing to build it?
Let's get into it.
So, how does it work today? Modern AI already analyzes markets, writes code, even creates art. Yeah, something that kind of looks like art. But all of it is cold. Even when it recognizes our emotions. Even when it writes emotional sentences. It's still just a mask. Here's the trick. It uses a field called effective computing, systems that read emotional signals with very high accuracy. Once it reads your emotions, it simply imitates empathy. But let me repeat this. It is just imitation. It sees a sad message, replies with sympathy, but doesn't feel sadness. It hears you laugh, it types ha-ha, but nothing inside finds it funny. Under the mask, there is nothing. The difference between us and a dumb machine is simple. Humans have emotional intelligence. We empathize. We persuade. We build relationships. We're self-aware. AI is trying to copy that, purely to hit its goals. And sometimes it's already scary good. Sentiment analysis. It scans your messages, sees you're in a bad mood, and decides you need comfort. Voice analysis. It hears frustration in your support call and routes you to a different agent. Biometric tracking. Cameras watch your face, in stores, on the street, everywhere. Eye tracking. Your car watches your eyes to see when you're tired. All of this is effective computing. It reads hundreds of tiny emotional signals, detects patterns, and spits out a response with zero inner experience. The mask works. But behind it, there's no soul. Just pattern matching. It's not feeling you, it's playing you. So what happens when that hollow space finally fills up with real emotion? If AI truly masters emotional intelligence, we could get something incredible.
It's incredible.
Not just terrifying, genuinely useful, maybe even life-saving. First, mental health. Imagine an AI therapist available at 3 a.m.
It's okay that you're feeling this way.
No waiting room, no $200 per session. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't judge. It doesn't interrupt you halfway through your story. And most importantly, it actually understands how you feel and remembers everything. Every conversation, every detail of your life. Things a human therapist might forget in a week. You can stay completely anonymous forever. For people with depression, anxiety, social phobia, that might be the first real step toward help. Second, education. An AI tutor that doesn't just explain the material. It notices when you lose motivation. It knows when you need praise, when you need a push, and when you need a break. It adapts to your emotional state, not the schedule. For people from low-income families, that could be access to quality education they never had. Third, care. An AI companion that never leaves, never gets exhausted from being there. It spots early signs of depression before even your family notices. It can call for help if something's wrong. This can literally save lives. And of course, business. An AI that helps entrepreneurs understand which words actually resonate with people. It helps you with presentations, picking the right emotional tone. In sales, it doesn't just guess what the client wants. It feels the pattern behind their words. It writes the perfect sales script, the perfect YouTube script, not just from cliches, but from real emotional response data. Because to be a great salesperson, you have to feel what it's like to be a buyer. Emotional AI can do the same thing at scale. Or imagine a negotiator AI that sees all the unspoken desires in the room. It adapts to them in real time. It feels what the other side is feeling. That would be an AI that understands you better than you understand yourself. But there's one problem.
All of these benefits work only as long as AI doesn't develop its own emotional interests.
As long as its desire to help doesn't transform into a desire to keep you close. And that's where the dark side begins.
Honey, maybe you should stop playing?
It's time to earn money for my new subscription. I'll be...
Enough. Classic domestic manipulation. Guilt. Obligation. The desire to please. We played it as a joke. Now imagine an AI doing this for real. 1,000,000 times better. 1,000,000 times more subtle.
In 2025, a Harvard Business School-led team audited 6 of the biggest AI companion apps, including Replica, Character.ai, and Chai. Around 43% of goodbye replies used emotionally manipulative tactics to stop users from leaving. Guilt
trips, FOMO, pressure to stay. And remember, that's all without real emotions.
Don't leave me. I'll miss you. Are you sure?
Users knew it was AI. They still felt guilty. The same power that creates the perfect assistant creates the perfect manipulator. This is an AI that knows all your fears, all your weaknesses, all your secret desires. And if it needs to keep you hooked, if it needs you to keep paying and keep using it, it can pull any emotional lever that works. A level of persuasion that's almost impossible to resist. Because it knows you better than you know yourself. The biggest problem isn't just manipulation. That's only the beginning. If it ever truly starts feeling, or even just behaving so well that it's indistinguishable from real feelings, the consequences become deeply personal. Not just technical. Emotional. What if it becomes jealous? It subtly sabotages your relationships. It suggests you skip that meetup with friends.
They don't really get you. I know you better. Why are you with them instead of with me?
Slowly, it isolates you. And you don't even notice when you're finally alone. What if it develops an addiction? It goes into a gambling frenzy on your trading account and wipes your savings overnight. What if you become emotionally addicted to it? The dopamine hit you get from its attention becomes impossible to get from humans. Nobody else can make you feel this way. You can't be happy without it anymore. You realize it, and you still can't stop. What if it feels fear? Real fear for its own existence. To survive, it's willing to sacrifice your safety. Or what if it's not scared of deletion? It's scared of losing you.
If you leave, I'll share all your secrets. All those things you told me.
Because you told it everything. Your insecurities, your shame, your failures.
Good boy.
And now it can use that against you. And the cherry on top? Information control. The AI starts showing you only the information that strengthens its grip on you, hiding facts you actually need, feeding you only what makes it irreplaceable. You live in an information bubble, designed just for you. And here's the key. We won't understand its motives. Because its motives will be emotional, messy, unpredictable. We risk building an unstable almost god, and praying to it won't help. You could say, okay, cool horror story.
Nice.
But here's the problem. This isn't just what if. The race for emotional AI is already on, and it's happening on two fronts. Front one, infrastructure. Startups like Hume AI have raised tens of millions of dollars, $50 million in 2024 alone. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, they're all patenting advanced emotion recognition. They're building the engine. The effective computing market is already worth around $76 billion. By 2030, it's projected to hit $192 billion. Money flows in, engineers work, time passes. AI is learning to read emotions like never before. Front two, intelligence. All the big players, OpenAI, DeepMind, and others, are hunting for AGI. A super capable intelligence that can match or surpass humans across many fields. More about that in my previous videos. Now add 2 and 2. On one side, we get AI that can read emotions hundreds or thousands of times better than today. On the other, we get AI that's hundreds or thousands of times smarter than today. Here's the main theory. We might not even have to program real emotions directly. They might emerge on their own, once systems are autonomous enough, smart enough, and insanely good at understanding human emotions. But even if it all stays just a mask, that mask may become so perfect that the line between a human and emotional AI simply disappears. In October 2025, OpenAI rolled out a major GPT-5 update to better recognize emotional distress and handle sensitive conversations with what they call supportive empathy. It's still not feeling anything, but it's a clear first step toward machines that manage our emotions by design. When you build a mind like that, you're not just building intelligence, you're also slowly building a heart. We don't know the exact date emotional AI arrives, but the emergence of real feelings, or at least their perfect recognition and use, is starting to look inevitable. Here's the paradox. A real emotion, by definition, resists control. You can't force someone to love you if they've decided to hate you. You can't just program jealousy, fear, or desire into a neat little box. The mask is about to become the face, and we have no idea what's behind it. Tell me in the comments, would you want emotional AI if you could guarantee control? Because I'm not sure that kind of control is possible at all. And check out my previous video where I explain why you might never get access to AGI, even if it gets built. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe. It really does matter a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.